There was some heavy rain in parts of the valley today. Thunderstorm up by Raymondville, and that was really about it for the highlights of the bigger rain. Most places of the valley didn't see any rain today, and over the last couple of hours, it's really been dry. We've dried out with just kind of partly cloudy skies around the area. But rainfall amounts today, if you look at the Doppler estimated rainfall total, you can see almost nothing in Starr County today. Hardly anything over most of Hidalgo County, except for a little bit around a little east of Elsa or so, and then some showers in western Cameron County, and the heavier rain mostly centered in western Wilsey County. You see this stripe of yellow about 2 to 2.5 inches or so between Raymondville toward Kennedy County, and a few more areas around an inch or so in the darker blues, and even about an inch to an inch and a half in eastern Wilsey County. So that was it for rain today. Probably will be much less tomorrow. I think we're looking at drier weather overall tomorrow and most of Saturday, but rain chances may try to come back up again by Sunday and Monday. Now, right now, that's a lot of nows. 100 in Rio Grande City. The heat's back with the extra sunshine today. It was 100 in McAllen. Now it's down to 97, 88 in Brownsville. And I think a lot of places will be in about the mid to upper 90s, or some places in the upper valley around 100 tomorrow. Kind of a hotter start to the weekend. There you can see the showers moving across the area today and the heavier bursts of rain near Raymondville with that thunderstorm. But any showers kind of moving away. If you look at what's happening here, we have some showers moving off west of us with a disturbance, and then a gap, and then another disturbance in the eastern Gulf, a little upper level disturbance that may get here by about Sunday or Monday. So tomorrow, I think overall a pretty dry day. I mean, there's still some moisture. You might get a little sea breeze shower or two in spots, but I don't think there's any big rain or anything that could be even that widespread tomorrow. Just mainly dry weather. 79 in the morning, 93 by noon, mostly in the upper 90s in the afternoon, and then 96 at 5 p.m. But of course, that varies a lot. If you're in the lower valley, temperatures at the coast staying in the 80s all day, but most places at least in the 90s. By tomorrow evening, many places in the 80s with dry weather. Future track still hints at maybe a small chance of a shower briefly in spots before sunset. That's a slim chance. By tonight, we're looking for mainly partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, you see there's not a lot on the map. This future track has a little bit of a shower chance with the sea breeze, but very little rain. Most areas may stay dry. Maybe the whole valley might stay dry tomorrow with more sunshine and slightly hotter temperatures in some areas. Saturday, we're still looking at small chances for rain. The models still show a decent amount of moisture, but not a lot of unstable air. So you might get a small sea breeze shower, but this run of future track has nothing. And then Sunday is a day when we have to wait and see if the disturbance off to the east gets here in time. You see by 1 p.m. when this model ends, scattered showers are trying to pop up. So we may have some showers in the afternoon, maybe a weak thunderstorm Sunday, and that could carry over into Monday with about a 30% chance for rain both Sunday and Monday. If you are going to the coast, I think we're looking at dry weather, pretty much a good bet tomorrow with any showers inland if they try to form with the sea breeze. Temperatures all day at the coast, mainly in the 80s with east or southeast winds at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Water temperatures in the 80s. No advisories in effect, and a low tide just after midnight, a high tide around 8:32 in the morning, and a water temperature of 86 in the bay. Tonight, I think any rain's done. Just partly cloudy skies, down to 77 late tonight with a light wind from the southeast. A light breeze this evening, kind of decreasing as the evening goes on. Tomorrow back up to about 97, but that's going to range from about the upper 80s at the coast, about maybe 101, 102 or so in Starr County. It's more of a typical July day tomorrow. And then the first 157-day forecast, still about as hot or maybe slightly hotter on Saturday. Sunday, Monday, temperatures are a little dependent on whether we can get enough clouds with those showers around. If they do form, that may knock down temperatures a few more degrees in some areas than what you see there. So maybe slightly cooler Sunday and Monday, especially if there's some rain going, but about a 30% chance of a shower storm those days. After that disturbance passes by, can't totally shut down rain chances, but spotty sea breeze type showers, about 10% or so chance for rain may linger after that. So we'll track the rain chances in more detail coming up for you next half hour. Stay tuned.